First of all, like how we can download Delft3D. We need 3 files at the end of download everything. Before install anything, we need 3 files. First file with OSS, open source software, and second file, it's a licensed software which we use to track the file, to open the license file, which is this one, the license file, if you see. So we should have the 3 files before we start. But from where we can get those files, so I will show you now the official website that we can get this one, this file OSS, and this file which is licensed together from this official website. You should register and they will send you the link for those 2 files, and we can download this one from another official site. We will still go through this now. And here I included all the links for you to help you to just to go through this. So first we press on this link, and I will show you now. I'm just like explain the slide. So you open this link and you will find the first product. This is software, OSS, software, open source software. And it will ask you, the website will ask you to register, and using your email, you will get an email including this OSS file, as I mentioned, and the license file. And then you have another link for license software or license manager software. So you can press on it and you can download it. And also, like I uploaded all of this file here, but you still have to get your own license file through an email, because the license is individual and it's valid for 1 year and it's connected to your email. I will change the screen now to the browser to show you how we can download okay, here we go. Now you see my browser screen, and first link, as I told you in the presentation, first link will lead you to this page, will land you here. And here, this is our product, but it's still not active. And mention here, click here to log in or sign up. So I will click here. Of course, I have an account. And I will log in, but for you, if you don't have an account on the official website, you can, on Delta's website, you can create an account from here, and super easy. You will get a confirmation email and just to back here again and the login. And now I'm logging in and to see the next step. Now it's active now, so I can add to cart. Don't worry, you will not buy anything. It's just the system of the website. And here you can find your cart. Now next. Now they will ask you some information about you, and just like next and next, and here accept and next. Now they will ask you which server you want, choose whatever you want, and send a request. Now request sent, and you should receive an email by 2 links. Okay, first link is open source link open source software, and second is a licensed software. Okay. Now I will show you now we need to download a software manager. Okay, here is a software manager. This is the other link, as I mentioned in the presentation. And you will have here at the end, license software, simple download, choose the server, going very simple, very easy to download. Now you have it, and we have the icon above here. It's download, and it's starting downloading now. Very simple steps. So now we should have the 3 files. I will show you the 3 files. I will stop this download because I have it already, but I'm showing you. Okay, now I will share the folder that I have the 3 files inside and see how we can install it. So we have this one. Okay, this is the software, and this is the license file, and this is this license software file. So simply, if we enter here, very, very easy installation without any problem. No one complain about this way at all, because as I told you at the beginning, for some people, it's annoying to find the right file and the right license. Just next, next, next all the time. I think, okay. Everyone here, I think like it's disconnected and reconnected again, right? Everyone here, okay. So we were speaking about the files. So we have the 3 files here. Okay, we have the 3 files here: open source file, open source software, the license file. And
do you not share your screen? Yeah.
And we have the license software here, and we have here. So first of all, we will open source file here, and we install very simple installation here. I think I have to change screen here. Yeah, it's next, very easy installation, no problem at all. No one complain about this. And I will cancel it now because I have already the software, and I will show you the other, another file. Back again to the folder. Here, this is the second one, license software, and we have to it's like this. I think you now see the screen. So next, and here locate the license file, which is a file that you got through your email, and it's individual, and it's valid for 1 year, and it's connected to your email, and you should don't give it to anyone. It's just connected to you and for one software, one piece, one computer only. So yeah, this is the way how to set up it. I will cancel it because I have it already. You just locate the license file and see where is it in your computer and you just install it. Now we have everything. We installed the open source software. We installed licensed software, and through licensed software we installed the license file. And we now I will share with you the software itself interface. So when you open Delft3D, you will see this very classic, very basic screen. They are not fancy at all with this. And yeah, it's very simple. So we will talk about this later. In next session, we will start to talk about some function here. But this is a very simple